Hello, welcome to Try Goodness YouTube channel by Tejal. Earlier we have discussed regarding relaxation technique in which we followed a breathing practice. We have even discussed regarding the benefits of chanting Om, and today we are going to talk about deep breathing, how it benefits us and how simple it is to do. We breathe when we are awakened, we breathe when we are sleeping, and we do it all the time. So, it's very much necessary to learn regarding the correct way of breathing. Oxygen is very much necessary in our body for healthy functioning of all the organs, and maximum consumption of oxygen is been done by our brain. And in this stressful life, it's very much necessary to have a very strong and energized brain. So let's first of all learn how to do correct deep breathing. Friends, we can do the practice of deep breathing anywhere at any time, and all we need to do is need to take a slow and deep breath, and we can even call it belly breathing because we should feel our breath from our stomach. And once you take a deep breath, you shall hold it and then slowly exhale it. The ratio about inhalation, holding, and exhalation should be like, if you take 10 seconds to inhale a breath, then you may hold it up till 30 seconds and exhale it in 5 to 10 seconds. By holding the breath, you will be able to exhale the breath very well, and when you exhale very well, you can inhale very well. So you'll be able to consume oxygen in really a good amount when you inhale. When we provide enough oxygen to our body, then all our organs are able to function very smoothly, and you can see the impact of deep breathing soon on your mind. You'll feel really relaxed, and your concentration will also be improved. You will feel calm, and heaviness from your head will disappear. You can do it as much as you want, and once you practice it daily and very often in a day, then at times deep breathing comes into your subconscious mind and you do it very naturally. And every time you are providing enough oxygen to your body, which will of course keep you away from numerous diseases, and you will always feel much energized. You will not feel the need of taking rest often, and moreover, you will see its instant effect on your mind. So, I'll show you how to do it. Like for 10 seconds, I'll inhale. Now I'm holding it. I'll exhale. I am able to hold it a little longer because of its practice, but initially you can do it as per your comfort. By doing deep breathing, you will understand how much important the process of breathing, inhalation and exhalation is for yourself. And whenever you feel like you are stressed out, you can take a moment and close your eyes, inhale deeply, hold it, and exhale. By doing it for several rounds, you will be able to mark the difference in the state of your mind, and it will give you the feeling of regeneration. If you practice deep breathing regularly, you will be able to see its positive impact on your skin, and you may even see improvement in any kind of diseases that you are dealing with. So, you should practice deep breathing regularly. It's not necessary that you should do it only in morning. You can do it whenever you are able to find time. You can even do it while you are sitting idle, and at any point of time you can perform this. So friends, take the advantage of this, and we'll come up with something beneficial in our next video as well. Till then, take care, have a good time, enjoy.